All right, what do we got here? Ooh,
Give me that.
ooh, these are super like squishy and ooh, when you swing them like this. Ooh. Welcome back to the Butter Biscuit Channel. I'm Hawaiian Pete, and you are Maverick. Is that right?
Yeah.
All right.
And today, 1, 2, 3 toys.
Oh, we're doing toys. That's right. We need toys. We gotta say 1, 2, 3 toys, right? Here we go.
1,
2, what? 1, 2, 3, toys! Oh, what do we got here? What is this? Tag? Ooh, what is this thing? Ooh, this is like a millipede or something, a centipede. What's this one? Ooh, sorry. Ooh, look
What's
at
this
those.
one?
Those are super cool.
What's this one?
I don't know. What does this thing do? It looks mad. I'm mad at you. You just don't understand. I'm mad. You shouldn't be mad. You should be happy. All right, what do we got here? Ooh,
Give me that.
ooh, these are super like squishy and ooh, when you swing them like this. Ooh. What color is this?
That pink,
That's not pink. That's purple.
purple, and then blue.
And
Light
then
blue.
blue. And what is this thing? We got a little thing here.
Orange.
Oh, he broke. Oopsies. Oopsies.
Hiya.
Okay, so how many we got? What do we got here? Let's see. Let's put it here.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. You're right. Oh wow. Okay, what else do we do with these things? Ooh, look, they have little feet on them too.
I think this one.
Oh, they're super like cool, like squishies.
I think they're like snakes.
Well,
I think they're like snakes.
Does this tickle? Hey, you can wear this around your neck like this if you want to.
Ew.
Yeah, maybe.
Remember that glass video yesterday?
Which one?
We were doing the glasses and then it
Oh, the
broke.
glass is broke in that video. That's right. I was putting them on like this and they went. They broke right out. Didn't I? Oopsies. Well, cool. What if we tie these together?
Oh yeah.
Make them
What's this one?
super
Chewy nut.
long. Oh, they have little faces too. Hey there. Hello. How are you?
I'm
Let's tie these
so mad at you.
together.
Oh,
Ooh.
I'm a pump.
I tied them together, and now they're one.
I need to try it.
That's not right, is it? Okay. Ooh.
He's mad at
That
you.
hurts.
He's mad at you.
No, we don't hit in the face. No hitting. No hitting. Ooh, I like these. Do you like these?
He's biting me.
Do you like these?
Take it
Oh
off.
no, he's biting you. Let me help you. Ooh. Saved you. I saved you.
Oh. Get it off.
Oh no, let me. Ooh. That was a close one. I think we saved the day. What do
Yeah.
you think?
Yeah.
All right.
I think we
Well, thanks for watching. It's been fun. Don't forget, like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.